So let's talk about tutorial. Its short form is called TUT. They can call it TIT as well if they wanted to. And it's sitting at 3 cents, 3.9 cents. It's loading right now. I'll show you the exact price. It is 3.9 cents. And let's talk about its fundamentals. I'm covering this coin for the first time, and you can see it's second day on Binance. Anyway, it recently got listed on Binance, which pretty much explains this overall crazy move of 1 cent to 5 cent. But what goes up goes down again. But let's talk about its fundamentals first. Now this project is 50 days old. It's not that old. It is pretty new. And when we talk about the number of investors in this coin, they are around 15,500 people, out of which top 10 people are holding 58.65% of the supply, which means that 60% of the supply is in the hands of 10 people, and the remaining 15,500 people are just there to masturbate and enjoy the show, because it's worse than meme coins. In Pepe, you have 35-38% in hands of 10 people. In every other meme coin, you see 30 to 40%. The worst I have seen in a meme coin is Dogecoin, where it is in the hands of 60 to 70%. The 10 people are holding this crazy amount. But generally speaking, you don't see such kind of bad situation where 10 people are holding such a crazy amount. And especially in a coin that is not a meme, like Tutorial, 58% of the people holding 58% in the hands of 10 people. This is crazy. But it also indicates one thing, that the early investors, which is of course these 10 people, these are the early buyers of this coin, and they are sitting at 450x right now, even after this overall drop. And they're actually at a way bigger X in terms of profit. I'll tell you that where did they buy and where they are sitting right now. So these people have purchased, majority of the collection is around $1 million and below of market cap. Right now it is sitting at 38 million market cap, which means that even if they have been slow, which is not the case, I told you they're sitting at 430x. Even if they were extremely slow with the purchase, or they did more purchases when it went to the average market cap of $1 million, it's sitting at 37.9 million market cap. They're still sitting at a 37x, while you, like an idiot, buying it on Binance or some other exchanges, you are sitting with the 20% profit with a hope that it will go to $1 billion and you will do a 10x when your father is going to do a 3,700x on it. So in cases like this, these are pump and dump. To sum it up in a very simple language, when you have 10 people holding such kind of big supply, pretty much you are at the mercy of those gods that are managing you. And how they behave is going to decide the future of the coin. Only one coin where we saw the case scenario where the 10 people were kind enough to let the project go up. Of course, they killed it, was Pepe. Pepe was initially, it went from 400 million to 2 billion. Then they sucked the blood out of it. It went back to 400 million. And then and this is not that the starting of Pepe was 400 million. Starting was $6,000. So they have already done hundreds of thousands of X's, and eventually now it has done over 1 million X because it went to $12 billion. But I'm telling you that when it went to 400 million, then again it went to 2 billion. This time they didn't sell, they let it live 3 billion, 4 billion, stuff like that. Then it got listed on Coinbase, then it got listed on that Robinhood, and all the idiots, they bought it there. And they pumped that price. The news pumped it to 9 billion. Then the Robinhood idiots, they pumped it from 9 to 12. And then the 10 people, they started selling it crazy. They sold 3% of the supply. Just with the selling of 3% of the supply, they were able to bring it back from $12 billion to $3 billion today. So same kind of thing keeps on happening over and over again. And the reason I'm wasting my time on you, even though you must be emotionally invested in this coin and you wouldn't like what I'm saying. All I'm saying is that these projects, they are pump and dump because you are at the mercy of 10 people. Only in Pepe I have seen them being kind enough to let it live and let it go towards 12 billion, and then they brought it down back to the surface. You might not see that with the tutorial, or if you will, then go and rub their balls and hope that it will work out. Anyway, other than that, let's talk about the technical analysis, even though technical analysis is useless because anyway. So we have a support for this coin at 2.7 cents. As long as it holds 2.7, you can still expect it to go up. Right now, this thing is forming a very ugly structure. This is because of Binance. Otherwise, it was already going down. When I say already going down, when it performed well, those 10 people, they started booking profits and taking money. Then Binance came along. Now they will start taking profits and it will start going down. So for you, 2.7 is going to be the indicator. If this coin doesn't go below 2.7 cents, you can expect it to shoot up towards 5 cents, that big. But if you see it losing the area of 2.7 cent, then assume that this is heading down towards 1 cent. And after that, it will lose the area of 1 cent and add one more zero, and it will continue to go down, which means that it can easily go down from 2.7 cent downward by 15x. And that's pretty much it with tutorial. It's not bearish, it's just basic tokenomics and the way coins are structured. I'm just sharing information. Don't get emotional or you'll get banned in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.